Pineapple, the tropical delight, is more than just a sweet treat. This vibrant fruit is bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It offers incredible health benefits and can be a delicious addition to a balanced lifestyle. Let's explore the power of pineapple and discover how it can boost your well-being. From aiding digestion to strengthening bones, pineapple's benefits are plentiful. Its unique enzyme, bromelain, aids in breaking down proteins, making digestion smoother. This juicy fruit is also packed with vitamin C, an immune-boosting powerhouse that protects your body from harmful free radicals. Pineapple is a good source of manganese, essential for strong bones and healthy metabolism. It also contains dietary fiber, which helps regulate digestion and keeps you feeling full, making it a great snack for weight management. So get ready to unlock the power of pineapple and experience its amazing health benefits. Add this versatile fruit to your diet and enjoy a delicious path to a healthier you. Pineapple holds a fascinating history. Once considered a symbol of luxury and social standing. Native to the Caribbean, this exotic fruit captivated European explorers with its unique appearance and exquisite taste. During the 17th and 18th centuries, pineapples were a rare delicacy in Europe. Their long voyage from the tropics made them extremely expensive and a status symbol among the wealthy. Pineapples graced the tables of royalty and adorned the finest dining halls, symbolizing wealth and sophistication. The pineapple's unique shape and spiky exterior also made it a popular decorative motif in architecture and art. From intricate carvings on furniture to grand pineapple-shaped structures, this tropical fruit left its mark on European culture. Today, pineapples are widely available and enjoyed by people worldwide, but their rich history reminds us of their exotic allure and the fascination they once inspired among the elite. Pineapple is a nutritional powerhouse, brimming with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Let's delve into the treasure chest of nutrients found in this tropical delight. Vitamin C boosts immunity and aids in collagen production. Manganese supports bone health and metabolism. Bromelain aids digestion and has anti-inflammatory properties. Dietary fiber promotes digestive health. Incorporating pineapple into your diet provides a wide range of nutrients for optimal health. Beyond its delicious taste and nutritional value, pineapple possesses some surprising talents and hidden benefits. Let's uncover the unique qualities of this versatile fruit. Meat tenderizer. Bromelain, the enzyme found in pineapple, is a natural meat tenderizer. Marinate tough cuts of meat with pineapple juice or fresh slices to break down proteins and make them more tender. Anti-inflammatory agent. Bromelain's anti-inflammatory properties have been studied for their potential to reduce pain and swelling associated with conditions like arthritis and sports injuries. Digestive aid. Pineapple can aid digestion by supplementing the body's natural digestive enzymes. It helps break down proteins and ease digestive discomfort. Immune booster. The high vitamin C content in pineapple strengthens the immune system, protecting your body from infections and illnesses. Pineapple's versatility extends beyond culinary uses. It's also used in traditional medicine for its various health benefits. From soothing sore throats to promoting wound healing, pineapple's hidden talents are truly remarkable. Section 5. Picking the perfect pineapple tips for selection and storage. Choosing the right pineapple is key to enjoying its full flavor and freshness. Here are some tips for selecting and storing pineapples like a pro. Look for a firm, plump pineapple with vibrant green leaves. Avoid pineapples with soft spots, bruises, or wilted leaves. Gently press the base of the pineapple. It should yield slightly to pressure when ripe. Smell the base of the pineapple. A sweet, fragrant aroma indicates ripeness. Store whole pineapples at room temperature for 1 to 2 days or in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Once cut, store pineapple chunks or slices in an airtight container in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 days. By following these simple tips, you can enjoy delicious and juicy pineapple at its peak freshness. Remember, a ripe pineapple is a treat for the senses. Section 6. Pineapple for beauty, radiant skin and lustrous hair. Pineapple's benefits extend beyond the dinner plate and into the realm of beauty. Packed with nutrients, pineapple works wonders for your skin and hair. Vitamin C boosts collagen, keeping skin firm and youthful. Bromelain enzyme exfoliates dead skin cells, revealing a brighter complexion. Bromelain's anti-inflammatory properties reduce acne and redness. Pineapple juice soothes inflamed skin and promotes healing. Vitamins nourish hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. Pineapple juice adds shine and strength to your hair. Embrace pineapple for radiant skin and lustrous hair. Section 7. Fun with pineapples, interesting trivia and quirky facts. Did you know that a pineapple is not a single fruit, but a cluster of hundreds of individual fruits fused together? Here are some more fun and interesting facts about this fascinating fruit. Pineapples can take up to 2 years to grow. The pineapple plant can continue to bear fruit for up to 50 years. Pineapples are a natural meat tenderizer due to the enzyme bromelain. Christopher Columbus introduced pineapples to Europe in 1493. The word pineapple comes from the Spanish word pina, meaning pine cone, due to its resemblance to the cone-bearing tree fruit. These quirky facts highlight the unique and intriguing nature of the pineapple plant. So next time you enjoy a slice of this tropical delight, remember its fascinating journey from plant to plate. Section 8. Embrace the pineapple power, a delicious path to wellness. From its intriguing history and nutritional benefits to its surprising uses and fun facts, the pineapple has proven to be a truly remarkable fruit. Its versatility makes it easy to incorporate into your diet and daily routine. Enjoy fresh pineapple chunks as a snack, add them to smoothies or grill them for a smoky flavor. Use pineapple juice as a marinade, a base for sauces, or a refreshing drink. Get creative in the kitchen and explore the endless possibilities of this tropical delight. By embracing the power of pineapple, you're not just indulging in a delicious treat, but also making a conscious choice for a healthier and happier you. So go ahead and enjoy the sweet, tangy goodness of pineapple and experience its amazing benefits firsthand.